Okay. And our storage room closed.
Okay na yan. Okay po. Okay na. Sige na, baka ano na sila. This place is very organized, no? If you go to our barangay outside this place, it's very not as big as this.
Children development, mostly violence against women and children. They are catering for the women abuse and children.
And the other one,
And
madam,
they housing for
the senior citizens. The other room,
Visitor from different countries, Indonesia, Malaysia,
Filipinos.
Philippines. This office, person with disability,
O, ako yun.
senior citizen, and solo parent. Every day, we entertain our client who needs help. And our barangay treasurers and barangay secretaries.